Hello everyone, this is Rakshit Raj, and today we are discussing the LeetCode question number 575, that is distribute candies. The question is Alice has n candies where the ith candy is of the candy type of I. Alice noticed that she started to gain weight, so she visited a doctor. The doctor advised Alice to only eat n by 2 of the candies she has, and is always even. And Alice likes her candies very much, and she wants to eat the maximum number of different types of candies while still following the doctor's advice. Given the integer array candy type of length n, return the maximum number of the different types of candies she can eat if she can eat n by 2 of them. So the question is that we have been given the array candy type, and which we have the ith element stores the ith type of candy, and the character Alice here is advised that she just have to eat n by 2 candies at a time, that is the half of the size of the array. That so she wants to have the possible number of different types of candy. She wants to eat the highest possible numbers of different types of candies, and also following the doctor's advice that she have to eat the n by 2 of the total number of candies there. So we can see in the example number 1, in the array candy type there are different types of candies here, and yeah, in this the output is 3, as we can see in the explanation that Alice can only eat 6 by 2 of the candies, that is 3 candies, and since there are only 3 types, she can eat each of them. So how can we do this question is, first of all, what we can do is that we'll store the values of the array in an unordered set, so that it doesn't store any duplicate values there. And after that we'll have a variable which can store the which will store the value or the value of the size of the unordered set, that is how many types of candies are there. And in the another variable, what will we store that will store the size of candy type by 2, that is its length divided by 2, and we'll check that if the size of the unordered array is unordered set is less than or greater than the n by 2 of candy type. So if it is less, then we'll return the value of candy type, the unordered set, and if it is more, then we'll return the size of the candy type there. So how can we do this question? So let's proceed to the code part here. First of all, we'll have a unordered set there, which will store the integer values. So we'll write integer, then we'll name it as st, and it will consist of the values of array candy type. So we'll write candy type dot begin, so it will store from the beginning of the array to the last of the array. So candy type dot and and now we'll have 2 variables. Let's say first we'll say int types is equal to st dot size. or it will store how many types of candies are there, and we'll have another variable that is max candies that will store candy type dot size by 2. So it will store the half of the value of the candy type size. After that we'll check that if the value of types is less than max candies, then we'll return the value of types, and if not, we'll just return max number of max candies here. So yeah, that is all for the code part. Let's see if it passes the test cases here, and yes, it passes all the test cases here. So we'll submit this question, and yes, it is correct here. So that is all for this question. Thank you.